Key points to remember: with the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, it is more important than ever to ensure following proper sanitation procedures, like continuously sanitizing equipment used for frying food according to the restaurant sanitary and health standard. Always sanitize before meal prepare, because deep fat frying involves using extremely hot oil to cook foods. It is a fast process and helps to kill any bacteria in the food when done properly. The first step in properly frying is to prepare the fryer and food for use. As you do with any cooking method, you'll want to make sure to thoroughly wash your hands and clean all surfaces before handling any food in order to avoid cross-contamination. Make sure you are cleaning and sanitizing the fryer before it is used, so that it is safe to use for the oil and the food that you are frying. This especially includes sanitized fryer basket handles, the part of the fryer most often touched by the kitchen staff. You will also need to keep the food stored properly to avoid spoilage and potential food poisoning. Another key thing to remember is to never mix raw and cooked foods.